Go.
Alright, looks like we're wrapping up this meeting early. Lunch break na ba, Ali?
Yes. Good timing. By the way, Mark, napamaro ako kamagayon ko.
Ah, wawalay kam salam? Ano yun? Maro? Mapa ka ng ano?
Sorry bro. I mean, asa ka makabili ng paya dito sa city? Maranaw food. Gusto ko sana mag-order ngayon.
Paya? Payag? Baka gusto mo ng kubo. Yung Bahay Kubo themed restaurant.
No, Mark. I mean, paya na soup. Masarap o panunod. Ano ba sa Tagalog? Soup. Lami kaayo.
Soup? Baka sinigang. Pero bakit may kayo?
Di ko maisip sa Tagalog. Parang tinola, pero Maranao style. May paminta at paiparan na manok.
Mukhang wala sa app na gamit ko. Hanapin mo sa Google Maps na lang, bro.
Hindi pwede, Mark. Ampon ko ay piyasat. Ayos lang sa amin kahit walang GPS.
Piyasat? Parang piyesta? May piyesta kayo ngayon dyan?
Nako, Mark. Piyasat. Nasira ang phone ko. Hindi gumagana ang GPS.
Sira! Bakit hindi mo sinabi agad?
Sinabi ko nga eh. Pero parang ikaw yata hindi marunong umintindi.
Oo nga, guys. Sige, bro. Baka gusto mo, sabayan na lang ako. Mag-order ako ng chicken tinola dito. Sabay tayo kumain.
Sige, sige. Basta may palapa, okay na ako. Ano nga ulit order mo?
Palapa? Para siyang palapa? Ano ba yan?
Nako, walang katapusang paliwanag talaga. Tara kain na tayo. Bahala na sa paliwanag mamaya. Right, mana?
And that was an example of how culture can be a barrier to communication for other people. However, by implementing specific strategies, we can improve communication and bridge these gaps. So, we prepared 5 strategies in order to improve communication. First, we have is simplifying language. Use clear and simple language. Avoid using jargons, idioms, and complex vocabularies that may not be easily understood by non native speakers. Next is speak slowly and clearly. When communicating, speak at a moderate pace and articulate your words. This gives the listeners time to process the information.
Encouraging questions and clarifications. Like, create a safe environment for questions. Like, encourage open dialogue by letting the other person know that it's okay to ask questions if something is unclear. This promotes a culture of understanding rather than frustration. So, after explaining something, ask the other person to summarize what they understood. This helps to identify any areas of confusion early on.
Active listening. Practice active listening. Show that you're engaged by nodding, maintaining eye contact, and responding appropriately. This signals to the speaker that their message is valued. Paraphrase and reflect. Repeat back what you heard in your own words. This not only confirms understanding but also allows the speaker to clarify any misinterpretations.
Cultural sensitivity. Learns about each other cultures. Take the time to understand cultural difference
and communication styles. This knowledge can help you to navigate conversations more effectively and avoid potential pitfalls. Be mindful of nonverbal cues. Different cultures have a various interpretations of body language, gestures, and facial expressions. Being aware of this difference can prevent misunderstanding.
Practice patience and empathy. Be patient. Language barriers can slow down conversations. Show patience as the other person formulates their thoughts and responses. We can also show empathy by acknowledging the challenges that comes with language difference. So express appreciation for the effort that the other person is making to communicate.